What's up, amazing ballroom dancers? Alexey is here and welcome to Ballroom with Alexey. Today I'm super excited to share with you a couple tips on how to improve your Paso Doble walks, forward and back. So, without any further ado, let's do it. Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to share with you a little practice routine which will include Paso Doble walks forward and back, and as well we'll do a pelt on your right and on your left side. So let's do a really quick demonstration. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. On other side, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright guys, Paso Doble is the marching dance, which means that the most important, the main element is the walks. The better your walks, the better your Paso Doble. Alright, so let's start with breaking down the walks forward. We're going to do it very slowly. So we start with a pelt on count 1. So let's talk about the footwork. So I'm starting to move in my foot on the toe, yes, and then I change it into the heel and transferring my full weight on the flat foot, yes. So now back foot already, I'm collecting it on the toe, moving it all the way till I cannot move it any further. Then I changing it into the heel and making step on the whole foot. One more time, now I'm collecting my left foot, moving it, heel, transferring weight. Same thing on other side. So I do a pelt on my left foot this time. 1. My right foot is free and it's ready to move forward. I move it on the toe, changing it on the heel, transferring weight. Right away collecting my back foot, swinging it forward on the toe, then heel. And repeat same thing again, and repeat same thing again. Fantastic. So the footwork is heel, whole foot. Alright, moving on guys. So now let's talk about sending and receiving actions, okay? So we're doing a pelt again on our right side. Okay, so I'm ready to move forward. So my left leg at this point going to be receiving my weight. So you see, as I mentioned before, I am moving this leg all the way forward, and then at this point when it cannot move any forward, I am doing this action, yes, I'm changing from the toe to the heel, but instead of transferring weight just right here, yes, like just in the regular way, I am engaging my sending leg and using sending foot and extending my step. You see, I'm making it a lot bigger, right? So now let's do the same thing on other foot. Moving my right with the knee. With the knee moves forward, then you see I cannot move any further. I'm changing it into the heel, and now I'm pushing from my sending leg. Whoop! Yes, and I do the full push with the whole foot, yes, so to make my step a lot more energetic, yes, and right away collect and change it to the other side. So let's do on other side. All right, so we go a pelt. 1, I move and I send my weight, and I send on my right, and I send on my left, and I send, okay? Very, very, very important moment. I would even say it's one of the most important moments which can really transform your walks, okay? So as well, make sure that you're not relaxing your knees. You have to have the energy in your knees. So as soon as you making step, right away move the knee forward, right away, whoop, whoop, yes, keep it in continuous tension. One more time, and 1, 2 and 3 energetic steps. All right guys, let's move on, and now let's talk about backward walks. But first let's get to that place in our routine where we dance in the backward walks. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Changing my weight onto the right, reaching my left back. So then I go 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoa, 8, yes? Okay, so the most important part in the backward walks is that we have to make sure that we are moving back, but keeping our body forward, yes? Like this. This would be the most common mistake, that we start in movement with the spine first. So remember that we are moving first with the legs and maintaining our weight on the standing leg longer, and only after I transfer my weight. Reaching and after I transfer. Good. So all of that leads us into the sending and receiving action. So we start with the reaching with the left. This is our receiving leg. My receiving leg reaching far back, yes, but my sending leg is bent, right? So from the bent leg, I'm going to send my spine, my body weight back, yes, and I'm receiving it on my left on the bent knee. Then I'm brushing my right foot and moving it back, and now my right is my receiving and my left is my sending, and I'm sending my weight from the bent knee into the bent knee, brushing and reaching back. Okay, good. So let's try same thing on other side, guys. So we'll start with the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, good. So now pay attention to the releasing toe. So look, when I'm sending my weight, I'm making sure that I'm releasing my front toe. Yes, I'm not keeping the toe on the floor. I'm releasing it, and that helps me to make my step bigger, yes? Then I'm swinging my leg back on the toe, and same thing on my left. I release my weight and receive it on the right bend knee. And while you're practicing your walks, please don't forget about your upper body. Make sure that you have energy in your back, that you're stretching your elbows, that you have fulfilled negative space. So not relaxed elbows. All right, guys, so now let's do the entire routine slowly. Forward and backward walks all together to my count, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Stronger pal, nice twist, engage the core, stretch the upper body, moving forward, but right arm goes back, 2, heel, push from your back foot, now and back, reach the back foot back, maintain the weight on the front foot, push, push, step to the side, and one more time on your other side, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, reach, 6, 7, 8. Alright guys, that's it for me for today. Thank you very much for your attention. If you like this video, don't forget to press like and of course subscribe to my channel, and I will see you very soon on my next tutorial. Thank you very much, take care and have fun dancing. Bye! Okay? Alright, so make sure to have fun.